Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can set a video recording saved in your Loom library to public, to share it, for example, via an invitational link. So let us get started. Head over to your video library on Loom, make sure that you're logged into your account. Click into the library on the left hand side, navigate to videos here, to the video tab, and browse through the list of videos in your library. Now, I will go with that example video clip here with that recording. What you want to do is click into more actions here, or these three dots, select share. After that, you will be redirected to that window. So you may, for example, import your contact list from Slack here, or enter the invitee's email address or username here. Or if you'd like to share it not only to specific invitees, or to a specific workspace, you may enable also general access so that anyone with the link you create by clicking into this button here to your clipboard, anyone can access the video clip publicly. But you will need to switch from open, or restricted to public. Otherwise, if you want to make it private, set it to restricted so that only specifically invited spaces and people, just like I explained, will be given access to it. So I will go with public, and you will see the status also changing here. Or you may share it to an external app or social media. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.